The required tools are a hammer, a wrench, 13mm, 18mm, 19mm, a large adjustable crescent wrench, a flat screwdriver, and a pliers. Remove the banding and the crate top. Remove the tank from the crate and remove the axle hardware. Slide the wheels onto the tank axles, followed by a washer and a castle nut. Verify the wheel can freely rotate after tightening the castle nut. Place the cotter pin through the castle nut and the axle. Bend the cotter pin using pliers. Use the plastic bushing cap and hammer to install the wheel axle caps. Connect the tongue to the tank using the supplied hardware and fully tighten. Place the engine assembly on the tank and secure using the supplied hardware. Stand the beam vertical and remove the hitch pin. Connect the tank assembly to the beam using the hitch pin and R-clip pin. Remove the plastic plugs on the pump and attach the suction hose. Secure the suction hose with the worm gear clamp. Install the supplied O-rings on the pump and filter. The O-rings are essential to prevent leaking. Remove the plastic hose plugs from the pressure and return hose. Use an oil pan to catch any fluid that may come out from the hoses. Install the pressure hose and return hose.